Thursday, the United States and Britain began day 2 of Operation Desert Fox. B-52 bombers fired cruise missiles deep into Iraq, and Navy F-18 attack planes pummeled Iraqi air defense. Jana Roth has more.
Baghdad on the second night of the biggest attack since the Gulf War. A deadly crescendo of anti-aircraft fire and cruise missile attacks as the night unfolded. But even after the air raid sirens sounded, warning of the attack to come, so did the wedding trumpets. All over Baghdad, the traditional Thursday night wedding celebrations went on. America or no America, what does America mean to us? Iraq will endure, said this bridegroom. Iraq's foreign minister echoed that theme and said Iraq would endure the U.S. strikes that hit the military intelligence and special security police headquarters. Sites, he said, had been inspected by UNSCOM.
These are examples to show you how cheap liars are the officials, the leaders of the American regime and the British regime.
Officials wouldn't show reporters those security sites, but they did take them to President Saddam Hussein's birthplace of Tikrit, where they said a cruise missile hit a rice warehouse.
It has been yesterday destroyed by military aggression, which has taken place under the direction of Clinton and Blair.
UN officials said another missile shook their own headquarters when it went straight through a nearby Baghdad security building.
The second or third wave of attacks, and it was an immense noise, and also one could feel the power of the impact because our windows were making noises and the whole building was shaking.
But Van Sponik said the UN team will stay.
It would be wrong if we would just run away in a way. So whatever the case may be, I hope the UN flag will remain to fly here.
Over 130 humanitarian staff who couldn't be evacuated are crammed into UNSCOM's former home. Everyone in Baghdad is waiting. Iraqis waiting to see how bad the night's devastation will be. The UN waiting to see whether they'll still be welcome when the air raids are over. Jana Roth, CNN, Baghdad.